Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to Australia International Airshow 2015. I'm Air Force Technical Sergeant Larry Hopper, a native of Bakersfield, California, and part of the Pacific Air Force's demonstration team. As a member of the Pacific Air Force's 35th Fighter Wing, Misawa Air Base, Japan, it's my pleasure to describe for you today's flight demonstration by the world's most prolific single-seat, multi-role fighter, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The pilot for today's demonstration is Captain Austin Brown, call sign Code, from Phoenix, Arizona. Captain Brown is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,500 hours in jet aircraft. The safety observer for today's demonstration is Captain Christopher Sid Campbell, also an F-16 fighter pilot from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Launching Captain Brown today are Staff Sergeant Ben Samard from Glendale, Arizona, Staff Sergeant Shane McGowan from St. Louis, Missouri, and Senior Airman Enrique Berbera from Turlock, California. Today, Captain Brown will demonstrate the F-16's remarkable power by pulling up into a half Cuban 8 after only a 1,000-foot takeoff roll. In this maneuver, he will inscribe a half figure 8 above the field. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, Captain Brown and the F-16 Fighting Falcon.